Hello and welcome back to my channel. Tablescapes are some of my favorite things to design. My dining table provides the perfect canvas to create endless possibilities. I'm always restyling depending on my mood and the event. As I was preparing for a quick dinner party recently, I decided to change up the centerpiece and table setting to the one that you see here. I love neutrals and gray tones. For me, they provide a quiet, soothing atmosphere, allowing me to experiment with color in bold, earthy tones without going overboard. With this table setting, I use various textures that you normally wouldn't pair together to achieve a bold yet classy look. For the base of the design, I used a gunmetal gray charger that I purchased from Bed Bath & Beyond. I then placed a beaded glass plate that I purchased from HomeGoods. A small salad charcoal ceramic plate that I thrifted from Goodwill was placed next. I then placed the napkin that I purchased from HomeGoods, fanned into a gold napkin ring from Kirkland's on top. Black stainless steel flatware placed on either side completes the look. For the centerpiece, I placed dried orbs that I purchased from Kirkland's inside a black and gold glass decorative bowl from Burlington. This animal print sculpture was another Burlington find. I layered a folded cinched curtain panel on top of a neutral table runner for the base of the centerpiece. And here is the finished look. Hopefully, this video inspired you to create your own unique tablescape. Remember, you can always mix textiles to create an unique look. Be bold, be different, but most of all, be creative. Thanks for watching.